Muzi loves building things, but one day decides he wants to build the best thing ever. The best thing ever. Muzi loves to build things. He dreams of building the best thing ever. Once, he built a shelter for his toys. But it wasn't the best thing ever. Yesterday, he built a bridge for his animals. It was a good thing, but not the best. Today, Muzi is going to visit Yugogo. He is sad. Without his toys, how can he build the best thing ever? At the bus stop, Muzi is amazed. He sees red things and blue things, small things and big things, new things and old things. Muzi has a new idea for building the best thing ever. On the road to Yugogo, Muzi finds many things, long things and short things, round things and square things. By the riverside, Muzi finds small things, short things and pointy things, gray things and brown things. Look, Muzi, we are here. A Yugogo base for the hungry travelers. Muzi builds. Look, Gogo, a new house for you. Oh, Muzi, laughed Gogo. This is the best thing ever. Gogo, Gogo, say Muzi. The world is full of toys. Look what I can build.